Right then, I hope you're doing well. What we're going to cover this week is an absolutely amazing new cookbook, one of the best cookbooks of 2022, which is the Sea Salt cookbook from the Lea-Wilson family, Halen Mon, which means Anglesey sea salt in Welsh. So I picked up this book from the actual manufacturing and visitor site right next to the Sea Zoo in Anglesey, which is west of going over onto the Menai Bridge. What I love about it is the innovation of using salt, functions of curing and preserving and fermenting, some of the old traditional methods that we've almost forgotten about. Great that it's signed by the family as well, Alison, Jess and David. The book has also been supported by Anna Shepherd as well, who's a very renowned chef who writes for The Guardian. What I've also got from the shop as well is, yes, some of the actual sea salt, and it's absolutely brilliant. I'm going to put a link here where you can go onto their YouTube channel to look at how this is manufactured. It's a real craftsmanship in how it's done, and it's actually got a protected designation of origin here. All of this sea salt is harvested from the Menai Strait. This is one of the best sea salts you can actually buy. I'm also looking forward to covering how to actually make your own black garlic, and also check out some black garlic recipes I've done. This is a real new innovative food. And also, which has won an award, is some oak smoked water, and you can use this in lots of recipes and also cocktails as well. I'm looking forward to covering one of those in my cocktail channel, so please check out Hib's Happy Hour. So the book itself, absolutely amazing. I'm actually looking forward to covering the very first recipe, but I just love the contents, and the visuals for me are also very important. It's got a really nice introduction, raw seasoning, hot seasoning, brining, pickling and fermenting. Got a recipe here with fermenting and pickling limes, which is brilliant. I'll actually cover the recipe for that, so check that out. Curing, flavours of the sea, and then ends in with seasonal sweets and drinks. And what is so good about this as well, it's really tapping into local sustainable food, including local forest ingredients. And I think this is where we're really heading towards now. I love the introduction. It tells you all about the company, history of salt, the philosophy. So when we get into the raw seasoning side, I'm really looking forward to doing the celiac remoulade with pumpkin seeds. Got lots of salads, lots of vegan dishes, really not a lot of meat in here, very limited dairy. French onion soup, which got its own little twist and innovative way of making it. Minimum amount of the salt for the functional purposes of actually sweating those onions and drawing the liquids out. The technical side of what salt is just about. Not just cheap salt that's added for flavour. And I just absolutely love every single recipe has photos to demonstrate what it looks like, and there is just something for everyone here. But this is, for me, is my favourite part. It actually shows a south stack here, absolutely brilliant, where you can go over near Holyhead. But here, fermented chilli sauce. I've actually covered a version of this, making your own sauerkraut, spice tomato chutney. Then here we have it. I'm really looking forward to covering this, which is how to make your own black garlic, which you can do in the garage. Then how to make your own black garlic ketchup like this, which you can pick up from Waitrose, Sainsbury's and those kind of places. It's absolutely amazing. And under the curing section, you've got the roasted celiac with a peppercorn sauce. Wow, root vegetable and blood orange salad, tofu with minty peas and pickles. I mean, look at this, it's just endless. Then the flavours of the sea covers lots of seafood, which is very typical for Anglesey. Seaweed, smoked new potatoes, rustic seaside tart, filleted de moles. I mean, look at that, it's just absolutely... This brings back fond memories of my childhood in Anglesey, where I used to go often with my family, friends of the family, and Mr. SB Terrier, just let you know, just we're thinking of you. I mean, look at this, it's just brilliant. Purple sprouted broccoli, charred cabbage wedges with seaweed butter. And then finally, you've got all the sweets, desserts, campfire latte, salted caramel hot chocolate, spiced ginger iced tea, cherry and black pepper shrub, which I'm looking forward to covering. DIY Bloody Mary with Welsh rarebit, frozen bloody orange margarita. So really hope you're enjoying my show. Please do check out my cookbook reviews, and please do subscribe. Also turn on the notifications every fortnight at 4 o'clock on Tuesdays. Highly recommended. Really give this book a solid 9 out of 10, and you must go and get your copy.